As the dark clouds of World War II loomed over the horizon, the need for effective weaponry became more pressing than ever before. Infantry squads at the forefront of the battles required versatile and reliable firepower to hold their ground and advance against the enemy. It was in this backdrop of necessity that the legendary Bren Gun emerged. In today's video, we look at the creation, distinctive characteristics, and the extensive use of the Bren Gun throughout the war, as perhaps the most iconic British light machine gun in military history. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button. It's free and really helps the channel reach more history lovers like you. With the world teetering on the brink of conflict, military strategists and tacticians recognised the crucial role of the light machine gun in modern warfare. These weapons, designed to provide infantry squads with potent and mobile firepower, could decisively influence the outcome of battles. The British Army, fully aware of the need for a more effective weapon, set out to develop a replacement for the outdated Lewis gun. Their quest for a superior light machine gun led to the birth of the Bren Gun. The British War Office entrusted the task of creating this weapon to the Royal Small Arms Factory, where a team of skilled engineers and craftsmen embarked on a mission to shape history. Based on the similar design of the Czechoslovakian ZGB-33, the Bren gun was born. The gun, produced in the late 1930s, possessed a unique set of characteristics that set it apart from its predecessors. One of its defining features was its air-cooled design, allowing for sustained firing without the need for a heavy water cooling system. This breakthrough innovation not only reduced weight, but also enhanced the weapon's manoeuvrability on the battlefield. The Bren gun was chambered for the .303 British cartridge, a reliable round that provided sufficient stopping power against enemy infantry. With an effective range of approximately 550 metres or 1800 feet, it proved itself as a formidable weapon in both offensive and defensive operations. Let's now delve into the impressive statistics that made the Bren gun a force to be reckoned with. Weighing in at around 10 kilograms or 22 pounds, the Bren gun struck an optimal balance between firepower and portability. It boasted a rate of fire of approximately 500 rounds a minute, thanks to its robust and reliable gas-operated system. The magazine, positioned above the barrel, held 30 rounds and could be easily replaced during combat. It could also be fitted with a 100-round drum magazine. This feature allowed for a sustained rate of fire while minimizing the need for frequent reloads. It was also an incredibly accurate weapon for its category, with its ability to fire single rounds or fully automatic. Furthermore, the Bren gun's quick-change barrel system prevented overheating during intense engagements, ensuring continuous operation when it mattered most. The carry handle could also be positioned as a forward grip for increased stability when firing from the hip. Some 400,000 Bren guns are estimated to have been manufactured. The Bren gun's impact on the outcome of World War II cannot be overstated. It served as the primary light machine gun of the British and Commonwealth forces, accompanying infantry units into battle on multiple fronts, from the vast deserts of North Africa to the dense jungles of the Pacific and the urban combat of Western Europe. The Bren gun proved its mettle in a wide array of challenging environments. Its reliability, accuracy, and sustained firepower provided infantry squads with a significant advantage in firefights. The weapon's versatility was further augmented by its adaptability from both offensive assaults and defensive positions, solidifying its reputation as a true workhorse of the battlefield. As World War II progressed, the Bren gun continued to evolve. Modifications and improvements were made to enhance its performance and address any shortcomings. These continuous refinements ensured that the Bren gun remained a relevant and formidable weapon throughout the conflict. During this time, a lightly armoured tracked vehicle was created to allow for movement of troops while still mounting a Bren gun. Known as the Universal Carrier or Bren Gun carrier, it emerged as a vital component of infantry units. The Bren Gun carrier featured a compact and agile design, allowing it to navigate challenging terrain with ease. It was equipped with armour plating to offer some protection to its crew, and transported up to 6 soldiers, in addition to its 3-person crew. Armed with a mounted Bren gun, the carrier provided mobile firepower to suppress enemy positions and engage hostile forces. Over the course of the war, thousands of Bren gun carriers were produced, serving in various theatres of operation. Overall, the Bren gun stands as a testament to innovation and ingenuity in the face of adversity. Its creation stemmed from the urgent need for a superior light machine gun, and it delivered on that promise. From its air-cooled design to its impressive statistics and extensive use throughout World War II, the Bren gun proved its worth as a reliable and versatile weapon. It served as a symbol of hope and determination for the infantrymen who carried it into battle. Even today, the legacy of the Bren gun endures, reminding us of the remarkable feats achieved by those who fought with this iconic weapon. What do you think about the Bren gun? Do you think it was one of the best light machine guns of World War II? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to expand your knowledge and join the growing Premier History community.